how to reset the lock screen wallpaper back to the factory default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to reset wallpaper, enter phone pin and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. If you want to reset wallpaper, click on lock screen wallpaper and click on wallpaper, and if you want to reset, click on wallpaper and click on done. So you will see lock screen wallpaper is reset and back to factory default. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reset the lock screen wallpaper back to the factory default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.